Hi, Landy Kev. Well then, so hopefully you've enjoyed the intro. Now we're on to some of the action. So it is category group 1 at G.C.R.C's comp round 1 at RC Adventures Shildon. So enjoy the footage. These are the hard-bodied 1.9419 tyres, I believe it is that. Has to have a bumper, front and rear. It can be enclosed by the body, but has to have, and certain rules have changed for this particular set of comps with G.C.R.C. So enjoy the footage. Shameless plug, please like and subscribe if you like the video. It'd be lovely to have you along on my YouTube journey. So without further ado, let's get to the action. Landy Kev signing out. Bye-bye.
Yeah, good morning everybody. So yeah, you've got to bear with me because it's the first time we've done this many people in one go. And you're the first event, so you're sort of like guinea pigs really. But you know, so just, we'll get there. It'll be fun. And there's a nice trophy for each class as well. So it's definitely worth it at the end of the day. So we're going to run it in order of classes. Because we've been organised, well, Gareth's been organised, I'm not. So we're doing class 1 first, then class 2, then class 3, which will be a bit later on, probably after lunch, hopefully, if we get lunch. We might not. So the class 1 drivers, I need to look at your rigs and give you a sticker to stick on it, so it's been approved. And we'll do the same for class 2, same for class 3, but we'll do it when you start your run or start the course, all right? So the courses are going to run, they're going to be on these rocks basically over here in this sort of area. We might even use this bit on the corner there. They are marked out with orange on the left, green on the right, so that gives you your direction. So then you go through that gate, you look for the next one that's nearest to you, but there'll be somebody pointing out where you've got to go. We've got a stick for winching if you feel you need to, or for using your bungee on. So we'll take that with us and we can sort of point you around, yeah, guide you around the course. So there'll be one person scoring you and somebody else giving you a hand, making sure you're going in the right direction, going to the right place. Does that make sense? Yep. Yeah. You've got 6 minutes. So I've just had a go, and we might have to change things because I think for class 1, 6 minutes is what I've laid out. Might not be enough, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll go with the flow and see what happens. If everybody's doing it in like 7 minutes, then it's fine. We'll just do the times to when you finish it. I think the class 2 and class 3 will be a lot easier, but class 1 with the small tyres, it's hard on there. The scoring, we've tried to keep it simple because I am. So we've just got, go through a gate, you get progress, it's -2. Reverse is a point, hitting a gate is 10 points, using your winch, using dig is 1 point. If the car rolls over and you can't get it back in its wheels, yeah, to roll that back over is 5 points, all right? If you have to get your rig and, if you touch your rig by mistake, it's 10 points, so don't touch it unless you're using the winch, right? Then you can use the winch only. You can't be like holding onto your rig and moving it about. You've got to like just literally try and just get hold of your winch. If you go the wrong direction through a gate, it's 10 points. If you go over a boundary line, which I've done one, but I think we might have to ignore it because you can't turn. I've just tried it. I can't turn my car, and it turns pretty tight. So we'll probably ignore the boundary. But basically, on a gate, the most you can score is 20 points. Once you've got 20 points, it's like just carry on, go to the next gate, all right? Because otherwise you'll be there all day. So if you think to yourself, there's 10 gates, there's 2 bonus gates. You get, as long as you go through a gate, you get the -2. So you start off basically with -24, yeah, and then you're counting up from that. So every gate is 10 points, every reverse is a point. We'll mark it down and then frighten you at the end. But don't worry about it. You're here to have fun at the end of the day. Just enjoy yourself. I mean, it's a really serious places. Yeah, it's a laugh. It's a laugh. No, Dave, you can't ask questions.
All right.
Go on, yes, mate, go on.
With the kinetics,
Yep.
you generally have to hold your rig to pull them
That's
out,
fine, yeah,
otherwise you're going to
that's
move it
okay.
about, aren't you?
Yeah, that's
so if
fine.
you're touching it to not make it move,
Yep, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll have the stick, which is in the back of my
Yeah.
car, and it's got like hooks on it, so
Yeah,
they're different
brilliant.
heights as well. So you can hold that, and then you can use a kinetic winch. Because otherwise, with
And
the
each
kinetic winch,
point
you
of
can
the
hold
stick-
it, and then you can sort of like be dragging your car. So
Yeah.
you can tell us where you want the stick to be
Yeah.
put, and then we'll hold it and make sure it's
Yeah.
steady, so that it's pulling
And
it
then if
enough.
you need the stick repositioned, that's an extra penalty.
That's an extra.
A couple of gentlemen getting their rigs ready for the Class 1 event. All the photos.
Good morning.
There he is, there's the man, there he is.
And little blue.
There's little blue all ready to go. I'm glad to see this here. We did have a few hiccups on the way, but we managed to get it all sorted, didn't we?
Yeah, definitely,
You did your thing, got some help where you needed it, and that's excellent.
You stick man, are you, Sven?
Gentlemen, how are we doing?
Not so bad, dude.
Looking forward to the first event.
Yeah, it should be
So,
good.
are you? So I'm doing this filming for a thing. So have we got YouTube channels that
All right.
you can be mentioned on? Have you?
Go on, and I'm RC Crawler UK on Instagram. Have a check out.
I'm on Instagram as well, G.C.R.C.
Lovely.
Yeah, looking forward to class 1 today.
Yeah, it should be good. I think I'm going to get the filming. So if you're all right with me filming your rigs and what you're doing, if it crashes, then I'm going to film it anyway.
Yeah.
It's all just to show we all have a good time.
Yeah.
And
See how a proper leaf spring gets on.
well, this is it. The leaf spring is it's a different beast, isn't it? So,
Remember, use your reverses wisely. Okay, that's fine. Just yeah.
I don't want it going all the way down.
Yeah, yeah. Nicely done. Oh, at the end.
Slipped off.
So you get progress anyway. Yeah.
I'm not recovering that.
That's fine. So just reposition it. That's fine.
I'm ready to take 20 to get.
Your vehicle actually hasn't gone backwards, although you're in reverse. So I'm not going to give you a reverse for that. Okay.
Yeah, alright.
So this is up. So this is meant to be up.
Oh, so I'm meant to come up that one?
You meant to.
Oh, come down there,
go
yeah.
Down.
Yeah, the steering was
down.
never going to do that on this. It's in a bad place now.
You're all right. To be honest with you, you're not doing so badly at all.
What's the penalty for missing the gate? Or going through it the wrong way?
If you this time, yeah, because this is the first time. If you go through it the wrong way and turn round, it's fine. As long as you don't hit it, it's fine. It's live until you've got through it.
Yeah. Just thinking how the hell we're going to be able to do that.
Just take time, don't worry. Don't worry about the red line. Don't worry about it.
I know what we'll do. Shoot the gate, there we go.
Yeah,
Dead now.
yeah. Thank goodness, it's got time. You hit the other one, it's fine.
Yeah, I got the other one there.
Well done.
Oh, no.
So that one's down.
Yeah. I told you so far, these are terrible.
It's horrendous, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the leaf springs, you can't get any more off on the axles.
Have a good look, have a good look. Oh, let's just take the reposition. That's it.
Let's fall over myself.
Okay, yeah. Well, you can hit it as many times as you like now, it's dead, yeah? You know where you go? Thank you. Yeah, it's fine. Now, if you can reverse from there, you can. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Reverse is free. Yeah.
Where am I going now?
You've got to go down this one.
Right,
Yeah. So think about what you're doing. Yeah. Well done. That's intelligent, mate. Well done. Go on, you can reverse, remember?
Yeah.
Right, you've hit it, but right, okay. I'll give you progression for that, yeah? So you threw that one. Nicely done. Careful. Oh, look at that. There we go. Right, you through. thought you might do.
Where are we going now? That one.
Down. Yeah. Get a bonus there?
Yeah,
Nice one.
nice clear bonus.
Yeah.
Progress.
Can I reposition it?
You can roll it in, you can roll it that way.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's it, back on your wheels. That's just, yeah.
We're going now.
Straight across the top and down. So you can come around here, keep it high. Did you hit it with your front wheel or not? So you actually go through that, look.
Have you seen that overhead?
Nice. Yeah, keep going to the right. Yep. Oh, mate, look at that! Look at that!
Hang on. Can't see.
You do. You got to turn left to go down. Go straight over. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Right, dude, take your reposition. You're the only person that's cleared that gate.
Right. Am I going? Can I put it?
No,
What's
you
the-
can. Well, you can turn it to a side, or yeah.
Can I stand it up that way?
Yeah, go on then. I'll let you, just because I'm nice. And you can read. Yeah, that'll do. Because I'm very nice to you. No. Do it with the controller. Put it in reverse, turn it upwards. Turn to the right, and go in reverse.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn it.
Harsh.
Don't worry about the bonus.
back in the same place.
Bonus one as well, don't mind.
You get the artistic shots there.
There's progress, you're through.
Okay.
All the way up to the top and down. That's your 6 minutes.
Oh, really? That's bad, isn't it? So I'll keep going.
Just keep going.
Where am I going now?
Down to this one.
Down.
Really? Nice recovery. Can you feel the concentration?
In my
It's quite
bed.
intense, isn't it? I think I need to get my brightly coloured hat on as well. I feel out of place.
Right, where am I going now?
You can either pick the bonus, if you can get across it, and then there's the other gate up that way. So you can go round it or through it. If you attempt it, then obviously there's the points. If you don't attempt it, you don't.
Skip that one.
Right, so you're timed now, so let's get a bit better than that. You've done pretty good there, mate. You've done pretty good. Right, which way do you want to go? I'll go that way. So,
Either way.
I'll go like that. I'll put out of the way. tug there.
I'll have to go for another
Yep,
reposition.
I'll tell you what I'll do, because you're now at 20. So, yep.
That gate's a nightmare, isn't it?
Well done, mate.
We're gonna have to winch that, I think.
Okay. Where do you want it?
Yeah, somewhere around there will be fine.
Okay. That's for 6 minutes. I'll just leave it going, okay? To reposition the winch. You're in. That's it, it's full. That's off. That's it. You can't go any
Yeah.
further.
I'm supposed to clear that. Go on.
You can do it.
Whoa! Did I hit that or
No,
not?
no, you didn't touch it. No, you literally stopped just in time, mate. Get in for that one.
Do you want to flip me over?
Turn
Or?
it to that's it, literally, that's it. On its wheels. Done. That's it.
Oh shit.
Yep, okay. Well, for bonus, are you?
No intentionally, I'm just trying to get the car to turn round, but might as well know I'm here.
Yeah. Okay, you're right. You're going to go through it now. So you hit it. But you're through it. Well, yeah, well done. That one. You just